आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
This is our question where we are told that a taxicab company wants to determine the fuel cost of its fleet. A sample of 30 vehicles is selected and the fuel cost is tabulated. Later, it was discovered that the highest amount was mistakenly recorded with an extra zero, so it was 10 times the actual amount. When the correction was made, it remained the highest amount. Which of the following remained the same after the correction? So, here we are being told that before correction the set of fuel economy of fuel cost was x1, x2 up till x29, x30, and here they found out that this x30 was incorrect and the value was actually x1, x2, x29, x30 by 10, because this x30 was 10 times greater, so this was the value, but it remained in the same order because this x30 by 10 is still the highest among this x1 to x29. So now the mean will be the average of all these values. So before correction the mean would have been some value, but after correction it would have reduced because this x30 by 10 has reduced. The median, however, is the middlemost value. Let me just write mean average of values. Median, middlemost value. So the middlemost value would have still remained the same, as this x30 by 10 is still the highest among all of these. So we know the median is our answer. But let us just look at the next few to make sure. Mode. Mode is the most common value. So this is the value that appears the most amount of times. So while it would have still remained the same if this x30 by 10 was not equal to any of the other values, it is possible that it would have changed if this x30 by 10 was equal to the second most common value, and hence after it has been corrected it could be equal to the mode could have changed and the second most common value might have become the most common value. Also range, highest value minus lowest value. So this will definitely change, as before it was x30 minus x1 the range, and now it is x30 by 10 minus x1. So we know this is not an answer, this is not an answer, and this is not an answer. So this was our answer and this is what we had found. So we will select median as the answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।